Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for another Makeup and Chill, and today I am dipping into, for the first time, the Pat McGrath Divine Rose 2 Mothership. Makeup and Chill. It's a little series where I just show you how I got this eye look. Music, no talking, no chatter. We just chill, we relax, we take a break from everything else that is going on in the world. And we love Pat McGrath. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't even have words. I have no words. No words, which is good because this is Makeup and Chill. So, this is a super quick, super easy eye look. Just, this would be my everyday go-to out of this palette. I already know it will be. If you would like to see how I got it, stick around, keep watching, take care of each other. Let's Makeup and Chill.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond